Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Leader. Today we are going to see how to SSH using Linux or Mac in the AWS EC2 instance. So what is meant by SSH? SSH means a secure shell. It is a network communication protocol that enables two computers to communicate, which means from our personal laptop we are going to communicate with the EC2 instance we have created in the AWS through the command line interface. So we will proceed how to do that here. So I already created a EC2 instance named as tech here. Just see my screen. Here, this is the EC2 instance I have created using the Linux OS. So click on the checkbox. You can able to see the details of the instance. This is the public IP, private IP. This and all here. So for an SSH, the port number is 22. So if you see my previous videos, while creating this EC2 instance, we have by default added the security group SSH port number 22. Just check the security group here. See, this is the port 22, which means SSH. So it is enabled in our EC2 instance. If it is not enabled in yours, just go inside the security group and click on the edit rules and add the SSH 22. After that, we will proceed from here. So while creating this EC2 instance, we have downloaded one PEM file, right? I have downloaded a PEM file like tech ladder already here. So I will just go to the path. It is in a download folder here. So just open the command line here, or else just open the command line and change the directory to where you have stored that PEM file. And then we are going to connect to the EC2 instance from here. So the command for that is SSH EC2 user at copy the public IP of that. This is the public IP of this EC2 instance. I just copied this. Open the command line interface and just paste it. Here SSH means we are SSH to the EC2 user at this public IP. What is this EC2 user? By default, all the Linux users in the AWS is named as EC2 user. So we are going to SSH into the EC2 user at the public IP means the IP we are going to connect. Click on enter. See, here the permission is denied. So what we have to do is we have to check in a PEM file. Just use this command SSH -i. The PEM file name I am having is techladder.pem. Don't use space in the PEM file. techladder.pem and then EC2 user at the same IP. Just click on enter now. See, this is now connected to the EC2 instance here. You can able to see this, right? Amazon Linux to AMI. This is how you are going to connect to the EC2 instance of the Linux in the AWS through command line interface from your personal laptop or personal computer, from your personal system. So how can we check whether we have connected to the EC2 instance or not? Like you can able to see this icon here, and then you can check here like add a comment as who am I. Just click on enter. It will show EC2 user. You have logged in as a EC2 user, which means you are logged in as a Linux user inside that VM. So this is how you are going to connect to the EC2 instance. Okay, we will see in the next video like how to connect to the EC2 instance of Windows. This is for Linux or Mac. It will shoot to both the Linux and Mac. We will see about the Windows in the next video. Thank you.